What's up, everybody? This is Fozzie with Team Roughnecks coming to you from Doomsday Operation Northern Watch Day 1, held at Raptor Airsoft Field. Man, it was a great turnout, great players, great referees. Raptors Field was amazing, the weather was awesome. I had a lot of fun playing this event. Let's go ahead and get started off right here. We're in the woods, we're tucked back away. My teammate Miyagi comes down and says, "Man, we got some people hiding on the bush line over here. Let's chuck a grenade at them." Have fun, guys. Sniper, they're all yours. Oh, I got one. Okay, good. There's another one back here. I know. We all decided to finally go ahead and get some ground on them, push up on the tan team to the right of this lake, but it quickly becomes a shit show, as you guys can see. Just moving fan, instant left. There you go. I got your back. I got your back. Grenade! Grenade! They're coming back through! Oh. Can we get around the water the other way? Fuck. There's that guy to the left still. None of these snipers have gotten this guy yet. Oh, that was a close one. Yep. We lost this battle on the lake pretty quickly. The Airsoft Junkies Humvee with an LMG on top stops coming down the road along with the whole tan squad. Pretty much our green team's getting annihilated right here, so we all pretty much take refuge in the woods, and all of the green guys pretty much died. I'm left alone behind enemy lines. I start taking accurate suppressive fire, realize I am surrounded by the enemy, and the only option is to take out as many as I can before I go down. finally got that medic. He finally took his hit. I know. I just kept shooting him. We finally decided to make a push towards the fuel depot to hit one of our main objectives. We know there's a lot of tan enemy there, so we start making our walk through the woods to infiltrate, get behind enemy lines. But unfortunately, we do run into a green squad first, and some friendly fire takes place.
Hey, you got hit, bro. You got hit. Don't even say you didn't.
So I chuck a grenade, and this is what I walk up to.
Grenade? I got you. Sorry, man.
You're on the side, right?
Yeah, but you shot first. You shot first. All right, let's go. Come on. Yeah. Sorry. You guys were shooting at me. I shoot back. You guys all died from the grenade? Yes. Woo! That's a huge kill number right there, baby. Too bad it was a team. Sorry. Josh, I'm gonna give you a grenade. You think you can run up into the bus? Just for fun? You wanna try it? Not throw. Run and drop. Hey, wait. Pull the pin, hold it like this before you start running.
Don't be too obvious.
So pull the pin and hold it closed while you're running up to the bus. Hey, guys, we got a grenade runner to the bus. Everybody open fire on the bus when they start running. Everybody open fire on that bus as soon as he starts running.
Hey, I need one more person to help me get.
I know, let's do this first. Let's kill the bus first. All right, go. Go! Nice. Go. Revive. No!
Underneath the bus.
Nice.
Man, that school bus was causing havoc on our squad. Only 4 of them in the bus, yet they ended up taking out a lot of green. Once fellow teammate Golden Glove took it out with a grenade, we were then able to get up and look over here behind the fuel depot, and at this time, all of the tan team had their backs facing us.
Bro, if we can sneak up behind them.
So we decided to move up, try to get into good flanking positions. I'm moving around the back of the field. At this time, their backs are still turned towards us and someone spots us. So now that we're spotted, I decided to continue flanking as far left as I can to their farmost edge of the field here, where I get lucky and get a couple more kills.
Hey, come on, you're a hit, bro.
You're hit.
Yeah, I know. Thanks for keep shooting still, though.
I hit you, dude. Come on, bro. We both hit you, man.
So now I'm dedicated to the blitz technique, so I keep moving up the field.
You got hit, you're hit. Not him, not shooting at you. Intel cards.
Still moving up the field to where I finally realize I've now circled around the fuel depot, and yet again all the tans are now facing their backs towards us again. So there's a couple people walking back dead here on the tan side, so I figured we got to make our move sooner or later and engage into the fuel depot and try to get as many as we can. Golden Glove and I take out as many as we can on our first push. As he continues to take fire, I decide to move up as far as I can on the right side here.
That was a good throw. Hit.
They finished me off with the grenade there. Might have been a little farther than 15 feet, but I'll take it anyway. And then pretty much our last push of the day, we're almost out of ammo and time's running out.
Hit. Nice shot.
That was my last death of the day. Golden Glove and I, man, we got a lot of kills on that push there, and it was a blast. I had a good amount of fun. Video 2 for second day of Northern Watch will be coming out shortly after this one. Look for it on YouTube. Subscribe and like. Thanks, guys.